Hello everyone, my name is Satyam and welcome to my channel. Basically today is a world event called Sync the Planet, which is an annual moto vlogging event in which all the riders have to go for a ride. It doesn't matter for how much kilometer, you can go for 5 kilometer or 500 kilometer as per you and your capability. There are only two rules in that. First one is you have to record or moto vlog that whole ride, and second one is that you have to leave at exactly 3 PM as per your local standard time. So today there are total 12 to 13 riders. We will be meeting at ABP Circle at exact 2:15. Right now the time is 1:45. I have to get ready within 15 minutes. So I'll come back after changing. Alright guys, so I'm all ready. And guys, as you can see, I bought myself this new riding jacket. It's from a brand called Rhinox. The exact model name is Rhinox Teltivo. And the best part of this jacket is it has many ventilation vent. As you can see here, there's this. Also over here, also 4 on my backside, 2 on my hands. So yeah, let's go. So guys, as you can see, I'm all ready and set to leave. But before I leave, I want to show you something. Today I will be not riding my SR. Today I will be riding this. Yeah, the Royal Enfield Himalayan. So guys, the first stop is obviously at the fuel station. So I will quickly refuel, then we will continue. So guys, as you can see, finally I have reached here at the meeting point, and guys, check out the bikes. So guys, as you can see here are all the riders. These beautiful guys are not coming with us, but they are Himalayan riders. And location here are all the riders which are coming with us. So Imran bhai, as you can see over here, Sunny bhai. I will introduce them once I reach at the destination. So let's go. So guys, he is Makran Pandey. Just now he came from Ladakh. How was your tour, bro?
एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत अच्छा था, स्पेशली ऑफ रोडिंग करने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आया। और अब जाके पता चला हिमालयन आखिर क्यों बनाई गई है और किस लिए बनाई गई है।
So guys, if you don't know, he is also a Himalayan rider. His bike is over here. Sponsorship के लिए। His windscreen is already broken. As you heard from Google Maps, in 600 meters we have to take left. So guys, basically the route we took was wrong, so now we have to go again back and take another route. So guys, as you can see, I'm back home. Actually, it's the next morning. Yesterday when I came home, I was so tired that I straight away went for sleep. So now I will tell you what happened after that. As you saw, my bike got stuck in that mud. After that, anyhow, we were able to remove the bike. We were around 12-13 people who left off the bike and brought it out of that mud. Then everything was okay. But when we were riding the bike back home, suddenly the clutch wire of the bike damaged, due to which the bike was not able to move. Anyhow, we were managed to come to the Royal Enfield showroom. When we reached there, the service center shutter was almost closed, but we requested them to change our clutch wire. So he immediately changed it. Then the bike was all good. Then I came back home. So guys, here I end my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, then click here to subscribe and click here to see my last video, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Goodbye.